Welcome the students in science class. Class 9, Unit 11, Some gases. Topics: hydrogen gas, lab preparation, properties and uses, oxygen gas, lab preparation, properties and uses, nitrogen gas, lab preparation, properties and uses. Lab preparation of hydrogen gas. Apparatus required: Wolf bottle, thistle funnel, delivery tube, beehive shelf, water trough, gas jar. Chemical required: granulated zinc, dilute HCl, dilute hydrochloric acid. Process: pieces of zinc are kept in Wolf's bottle. Dilute hydrochloric acid is allowed to fall from thistle funnel. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc to give hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas passes through delivery tube and collected by downward displacement of water. Hydrogen gas is collected in gas jar by downward displacement of water. Because hydrogen gas is insoluble with water. Balance chemical equation: Zn plus dilute 2 HCl gives ZnCl2 plus S2. Hydrogen gas is tested by inserting burning candle. When burning candle is inserted into the gas jar containing hydrogen gas, it produces pop sound. Because it burns itself but do not help on burning. Properties of hydrogen gas are: it is colorless, tasteless and odorless gas. It is lighter than air. It burns itself but do not help on burning. Uses of hydrogen gas are: it is used to make vegetable ghee. It is used to produce oxyhydrogen flame. It is used to fill in balloon. Hydrogenation. The process of converting vegetable oil into vegetable ghee is called hydrogenation. Vanaspati oil plus S2 at 8 to 10 atmospheric pressure, heated up to 250 degrees Celsius gives Vanaspati ghee. Industrial production of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is produced in large amount by electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water gives hydrogen gas as well as oxygen gas. 2S2O on electrolysis gives 2S2 plus O2. Metal reacts with hydrogen to give metal hydride. Reaction 2Na plus S2 gives 2NaH. Carbon reacts with hydrogen to give methane, CH4. Reaction C plus 2S2 gives CH4. Hydrogen react with oxygen to give water, S2O. Reaction 2S2 plus O2 gives 2S2O. Lab preparation of oxygen gas with using heat. Apparatus required: hard glass test tube, Bunsen burner, delivery tube, beehive shelf, water trough, gas jar. Chemical required: potassium chlorate, manganese dioxide. Process: potassium chlorate and manganese dioxide are kept in hard glass test tube. Heating of potassium chlorate gives oxygen gas. Oxygen gas passes through delivery tube and collected by downward displacement of water. Lab preparation of oxygen gas without using heat. Apparatus required: conical flask, thistle funnel, delivery tube, beehive shelf, water trough, gas jar. Chemical required: hydrogen peroxide, manganese dioxide process. Manganese dioxide is kept in conical flask. Hydrogen peroxide is poured through Thistle funnel. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes and gives oxygen gas. Oxygen gas passes through delivery tube and collected by downward displacement of water. Because it is only slightly soluble with water. Balance chemical equation with heat. 2KClO3 catalyst MnO2 heated up to 250 degrees Celsius gives 2KCl plus 3O2. Balance chemical equation without heat. 2S2O2 with catalyst MnO2 gives 2S2O plus O2. Oxygen gas is tested by inserting burning candle. When burning candle is inserted into the gas jar containing oxygen gas, it burns brighter because it helps the object on burning. Properties of oxygen gas are: it is colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is slightly soluble in water. It supports on burning. Uses of oxygen gas are: it is used for respiration. It is used to produce oxyhydrogen flame. It is used for burning the substance. Industrial production of oxygen gas. Electrolysis of water gives oxygen gas. 2S2O on electrolysis gives 2S2 plus O2. From liquid air. The air is converted into liquid using pressure. Boiling point of nitrogen is minus 196 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of oxygen gas is minus 183 degrees Celsius. Liquid air is heated up to minus 196 degrees Celsius to get nitrogen gas. Liquid air is heated up to minus 183 degrees Celsius to get oxygen gas. Both nitrogen and oxygen gas can be obtained. Oxygen reacts with metal to give metal oxide. Reaction: 2Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Oxygen reacts with hydrogen to give water. 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Glucose in our body oxidizes to give energy. Reaction C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. Lab preparation of nitrogen gas. Apparatus required: round bottom flask, Bunsen burner, delivery tube, beehive shelf, gas jar, chemical required: ammonium chloride, sodium nitrite. Process: solution of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite mixture is kept in round bottom flask. Solution is heated using Bunsen burner. Nitrogen gas is formed. It passes through delivery tube and collected by downward displacement of water. Nitrogen gas is collected in gas jar by downward displacement of water. Because nitrogen gas is slightly soluble with water. Balance chemical equation: NH4Cl plus NaNO2 on heating gives NaCl plus N2 plus 2H2O. It is tested by inserting burning magnesium ribbon. When burning magnesium ribbon is inserted into the gas jar containing nitrogen gas, magnesium ribbon burns, giving yellow powder. Because magnesium nitride is formed. Properties of nitrogen gas are: it is colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is neutral gas. It is slightly soluble with water. Uses of nitrogen gas are: it is used to fill in filament lamp. It is used to produce ammonia gas. It is used as refrigerant. The mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite is made in solution state before heating. Because solid ammonium chloride is volatile. Industrial production of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is obtained by liquid air. When liquid air is heated up to minus 196 degrees Celsius, nitrogen gas is obtained. Nitrogen gas reacts with oxygen at about 2000 degrees Celsius to 3000 degrees Celsius in presence of electric sparks to give nitrogen oxide, NO. N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. Nitrogen gas reacts with hydrogen gas to give ammonia. N2 plus 3S2 with iron catalyst, molybdenum promoter, heated up to 500 degrees Celsius at pressure 250 atmospheric gives 2NH3. Nitrogen reacts with metals and give respective nitride. Reaction 3Mg plus N2 gives Mg3N2.